This is some rock wool I put in the crawl space here. You can see through there. And it really helped last night. As you can see, I have about 1 inch of spray foam on the bottom of the plywood flooring. And then I use these little wire deals to hold it up, because I'm going to put some bubble board on it. And to cut it, you just use a knife like this here, you know. The cat's trying. Cat is trying to help me here. Anyway, I use a knife like this to cut it. Cuts pretty easy. You get a box of this. This is a 2 foot long box of. Let me turn the thing right side up and read it. Got it at Lowe's, 12 bucks or something. This is just a thin piece of wire, kind of like springy. And as you can see, I put some up in there. Some of them are kind of long. I just kind of put it down like on each end like that and push it up. I don't know if I can do it one-handed here or not. But like that. Anyway, you put that on there and then you just cut it to. These are was meant for like 12 inch on center, so I had to cut a whole bunch of them at 23. And this is 2 foot on center here, the floor joist, so I had to cut them about 22.5 inches or 23. And next I'm gonna, here's what I'm gonna do next. Is I'm gonna put this bubble wrap right here. I'm gonna staple it all up. It's right here on the bottom there. This is 4 foot wide, and I think it's 25 foot long. Got a few of them here. And I got me a cordless staple gun from Lowe's, 60 bucks. And I guess that'll probably be my next video, is putting that up. But made a world of difference on insulating the floor here. So, alright, there you go, rock wool in the crawl space.